Welcome back, everyone. This read aloud is actually nonfiction, and there's a lot for you to learn. The title is Dearly, Nearly, Insincerely. What is an adverb? Adverbs tell us when and how, like quickly do your homework now. They often describe the verbs like patiently plant peas and herbs. Adverbs will frequently end with ly, as in viciously, ultra suspiciously, sly. Adverbs add character, sizzle, and fizz to your phrases or your sentence, whatever it is. Sharply, my dad said to hand him a razor. Lightly, I asked him, did you see that laser? Frankly, this hot dog just couldn't be better. Sheepishly, Fred found he had ruined his sweater. If they tell us how, they're an adverb of manner, like slowly this summer, my sister got tanner. Or quietly sneak up to where she's sunning and give her a squirt from the hose that is running. Frequency adverbs will tell us how often, like seldom have I seen a lovelier coffin. Always eat cookies and never eat pine. Sometimes I'm nervous, but usually fine. Adverbs can help to explain how much, as in, this is extremely delightful to touch. Or, Johnny is somewhat afraid of the spider, and Mikey has hardly been drinking his cider. They give us a time, a place, and a number, like yesterday, over there, I was in slumber. Ah, I missed that during the summer holidays, but that's drawing to a close now. Let's continue. First, I was tired. Then I was woozy. Next, I began feeling sleepy and snoozy. They modify adverbs like she sang quite nicely, or he speaks so swiftly but very precisely. They modify verbs and adjectives too, like slowly he ate and she's really blue. Presently, pleasantly, properly praise. Speedily, sometimes quite greedily graze. Curiously, furiously, strikingly strong. Helplessly lost and hopelessly wrong. Adverbs you'll find give the adjectives zip, as in foolishly frisky and famously hip. Bitterly angry, bitingly cold, brilliantly burgundy, shockingly old. The adjectives good, the adverbs well. So now that you know that, you'll be able to tell that well's how you felt and good was your day. Yes, well is a very deep subject. I'd say dearly, nearly, insincerely, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, truly, deeply, sadly, badly. I tell you these are adverbs gladly. And so are sleekly and uniquely, bravely, boldly, coldly, meekly. Brightly, slightly, impolitely. You'd say that these are adverbs rightly. So what is an adverb? Do you know? Well, of course you do. You can go right back and watch this video all over again to find out what an adverb is. Most words that end with the letters L, Y tend to be adverbs. Okay, I really hope that you enjoyed this little book, this read aloud, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Most words that end with the letters L, Y tend to be adverbs. Okay.